So good morning children. So today we are going to discuss about the new lesson, right? So what is a new lesson? There is a new lesson in our class, in our third class. It's a new lesson I am going to discuss. Okay. So in that new lesson, what it will be? There is a lesson name is a 139 page. I am going to see page number 139. So lesson name is eating habits. Okay, second lesson, eating. So all people very much interested eating, yes or no? Eating habits of animals. Habits of animals. Okay children? Right. So eating habits of animals. I'll ask one question to you. All animals are right to eat the same kind of food? No. Yes or no? It's 100% no. Because all living things are not to eat same kind of food. So some are veg, some are non-veg, some are eating grass, some are eating plant leaves, some kind of the different type of. Okay. So now in our topic we are going to discuss the different type of animals, what they are going to eat. Okay na? Then feeding habits. So feeding habits to the particular. So 1 minute, just wait. Okay. So feeding habits of animals are there. So different animals eat different types of food. So feeding habits of animals are there. First is here, that is a feeding habits of animals. Okay. So what is meant by feeding? Feeding means we can eat. Okay, we are going to take, there is a different type of food items, right? The feeding habits of animals they given. Okay na? So here there is a different type of animals eat different types of food. So based on their feeding habits, our animals can be divided into 3 groups. So herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. So here what will be animals, the feeding habits of animals are right to divide into a 3 types. What is the 3 types? I am going to write. Okay, first one is a herbivorous, right? Herbivorous. And next one is a, second one is a herbivores and second one is a carnivores. So carnivores, and third one is a omnivores. What is the third one? Right. So children, very interesting one. This is the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So these are depending on the food habits, the animals are divided into 3 types, 3 categories. Keep in your mind: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Right. So 3 categories are there na? Yes, in detail I am going to explain to you. What is the animals that eat only plants are called as a eating animals are herbivores. So herbivores are then a herbal. You know herbal? So just wait. Herbal means, what is the meaning of the herbal, amma? So herb means that is a leaves. The plants, those who are only animals that eat the only plants are called as a herbivores. So these kind of animals will eat the plants. Eat only plants. So this is called as a herbivores. Herbivores, right? Okay, carnivores means we can easy to understood. What does it mean by carnivores? So carnivores is nothing but, so what is it? Herbivores, shall I give examples? Which one is right to eat? That is a only eating the plants, leaves. So cows, deer, okay, and buffalo. Examples: cows, deer, buffalo. Correct. These are all are examples of buffaloes. Okay, these are all called as herbivores. Now we'll go for the carnivores, or you can we have more examples up there. So animals that eat only the flesh of other animals are called as a flesh eating animals or carnivores. So what does that mean? Simple, I'm going to ask. Herbivores means they eat the plants only, but the cows, deer, buffaloes, all are there is a herbivores. And which animals are right to eat the flesh, and what does it means, flesh and flesh of other animals. So which any sorry, 1 minute. Right. So carnivores is nothing but which animals are right to eat the flesh of a other animals is called as a carnivores, right? So that's why eat only flesh. Eat flesh of animals. You can write, I will write here. Other animals. So carnivores is nothing but eat flesh of other animals, that is called as a carnivores. And the next one, so here there is a examples means lions, so tigers, leopards and eagles are carnivores. So two examples enough. From lions and tigers is all people they know very well. So lions, okay, tigers, okay, right, clear. Carnivores are completed, right? And animals that eat both the plants and the flesh of the other animals are called as a omnivores or omnivores. What does it means? Herbivores means eat the plants, so carnivores means that is eat only flesh of other animals, and omnivores is nothing but the eating of a plants and as well as there is a flesh of the other animals, right? So that's why I'm going to say that flesh plus plants. See, the flesh plus plants, they are right to eat, that is called as a omnivores. Okay na? So eat, it is right to eat. And human beings are best example for that. Bears, rats, so foxes are omnivores. Human beings are there na, means our people, we are eating only plants we can eat. No, we can eat the not only plants, we can eat the so chicken, fish, mutton, everything we are eating now. That's why we are eating the flesh and we are eating the plants, green leaves, for example potato, everything we are eating now. So that's why what is the differences in these two means our human beings are right to eat the both. That's why we called as a, that is a, our human beings are best example for that. Human beings. And next one, fox is also, rat also, examples, more examples are there, and bears also, bears. These are all are examples for that. Okay na? So here the herbivores means eat only plants, and that is examples, cows, deer, buffaloes are examples. So carnivores is nothing but eat flesh of other animals like lions, tigers and more are there, but I return to only omnivores, the flesh of the other animals and as well as the plants also it will eat, and human beings are the best example for that, and fox, rats and bears are there. Okay na children, once you copy this information, all copy that information, then we'll go for the next one. Okay. So you write that is a division wise herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous, then you will get it perfectly. Okay, examples, the total topic is given in a short form. You can write in your notes, then we'll go for the next one. Now I'll continue the remaining topic. I'll come. Right. So next one, teeth of animals. This is a very important, right? How to eat them? We are going to eat with a teeth, correct or not? The teeth of animals also very important, right? Teeth of animals. Teeth of animals is nothing but animals have different types of teeth to suit their feeding habits. So teeth of herbivores. Okay, here we have the herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous are there na? Here this is the teeth of a herbivorous now. Herbivorous teeth. How the teeth is right to just, so herbivores such as cows, camels, sheep and buffaloes have the strong back teeth to help them chew and grind the food well. So which one? These are all herbivores. The back teeth are strong. Back teeth are strong. So why the back teeth are strong? Because try to eat there is a leaves and plants na, it's like a chewing. Chewing means every time it is right to next number of times it is right to eat. There's a chewing, right? So that's for the purpose of chewing, and the back the grind and food well. So grinding of the food is well means by using of that process the back teeth are strong. The herbivorous, right? Clear now children? The next one, and animals that chew and curd. Okay, most herbivores swallow their food after chewing it once. So however, herbivores such as cows, camels and sheep get the swallowed food back from the stomach into their mouth to chew it over and over again. This is called as a chewing curd. Okay, chewing curd or chew curd, it helps them break down the food better. I'll ask one question. Chew curd, and this only. Okay, this word is a chew curd means. Okay, so children, you think yourself. For example, did you observe the cow? Cow will eat food, means grass. Yes or no? The cow will eat the grass, and after completion of the eating, for example, cow is taking rest. So cow is sat in one area. Then once you observe their mouth, right? The cow is slowly chewing every time. Slowly chewing. There is a changing of their movement. Once you observe, they are chewing every time. Why it is chewing? So because here already it swallowed some food, it will enter into their body in stomach, then again it taken back. Okay, the food is taken back to their mouth, again it is chewing, slowly chewing. Because of the reason, if it is right to choose a number of times, 2 times or 3 times, it will right to choose, Then chew means then automatically what will happen? Then food will easy to digest. For example, simple logic I'll ask. If you are going to eat food, it is a easily digested food means if you take is a good nutrition food. For example, water. If you are eating food with a good or what does it means, light food. Do you know light food? Like a fruits vegetables is a light food. So non-veg if you eat, then what you are feeling, sometimes some people they feel that it is not digestible. Not digesting means it is difficult to our body, correct or not? So here also the grass is not digesting to the cow. The cow is ready to receive that food is a number of times, that is a grinding number of times. So then the chewing process is a chew curd. Okay, so that process is called as a chew curd, right, or chewing curd. So here understood now. Animals that gnaw. Herbivores such as rabbits, squirrels, and pigs. Guinea pigs they have the sharp front teeth. They use these teeth to nibble on nuts, fruits, and seeds. This is called as a gnawing. Gnawing, right? Gnawing. What is meant by gnawing? Gnawing. So sorry, just a gnawing. Gnawing. Okay, so what is meant by gnawing? Some kind of the animals are there. It's a herbivores only. Some kind of the animals are right to their front teeth is sharp, like a squirrels. Okay, rabbits and Guinea pig is there na pig. Guinea pigs have a sharp front teeth. The front teeth is a sharp. Why the front teeth is a sharp means, for example, if any grains are there, food grains are there, it is easy to cut. Means that teeth are very sharp. Then only it is right easy to cut the food grain. So otherwise it is not possible. Yes or no? So that's why their teeth are. And here that is a that means nibble on nuts, fruits, and seeds. You know the rat. You just observe that the rat will try to eat the fruit is a little bit, right? Yes or no? Then same, let us say that kind of the situation is process is just slowly, little bit you try to eat now. So this kind of the things are calling as a gnawing. What is that? Gnawing, right? So here the keywords also they given curd food, right? Gnawing. So next one is go for the herbivorous completed now. Herbivorous completed. Now carnivorous, right? So teeth of carnivores. Okay, teeth of carnivores. Say to me, children, what is the teeth of a carnivore's? Flesh is difficult to tear and chew. Correct or not? The flesh is difficult or not? It is strong. That's why it is not difficult. So carnivores such as tigers, lions, and leopards have sharp pointed and slightly curved teeth on either side of the front teeth. These are used to tear the flesh. What is that? See, like a carnivorous means there is a tigers, lions, what is it, leopards have a sharp pointed, slightly curved teeth. Sharp pointed and curved teeth, curved front teeth. Okay na? So sharp pointed and curved front teeth are going to present for the carnivores like lions, tigers, what does it mean, leopards, is that because of the reason the flesh is very tight, it is not ready to detach, it is not ready to so swallow, it is difficult, yes or no? So that's why this kind of the carnivores animals are ready to use their flesh to sorry, their teeth to flesh perfectly to cut it. Okay, animals that swallow food whole. Okay, snakes do not have teeth to chew, so they feed on small animals such as mice and lizards and swallowing them whole. Do you know that snakes are having teeth? Did you observe anyone snakes are having teeth? No, snakes are not having teeth, but this kind of the means that animals are ready to eat the whole at a time, totally it will eat. Okay, so it is not to swallow, it is not to sorry, it is not to chewing, or it is not having proper teeth to eat, because teeth is not present in his means there is a totally swallow means totally is taking inside of the stomach, like a lizards and what does it means, small mice and some kind of the insects and all. So directly if the snake will try to capture, is ready to touch means the directly is ready to catch, then it is ready to swallow inside, it is not to eat. So this kind of the special feeding habits are also there. So animals such as butterflies are there. Do you know butterfly? So it's a very it's looking very nice, na butterfly. Okay, very nice. The animals such as butterflies, honeybees, frogs and elephants have the special feeding habits. So which one is having the special feeding habits, Sama? So what is that? The butterflies, bees and next one, just 1 minute, it's not looking. Okay, so which one is having that kind of the, so butterflies, bees and mosquitoes have a long thin. So not only this one, the frogs, elephants have this kind of the special feeding habits are there. Okay, now I'll say that the butterflies, bees and mosquitoes have a long thin straw like a tube as the mouth. Okay, so they suck in food with the help of this tube. So butterflies and bees usually feed on nectar from flowers. Okay, I'll ask one question to you. You know that insect, you know that mosquito, simple logic, mosquito I'm going to explain. The mosquitoes are there, na? The mosquitoes is ready to just fall, ready to appear on our skin means, see, mosquitoes are using like a tube type of structure to insect our skin. Inside of the skin it will try to insect, yes or no? So inject inside of our skin, then it is ready to receive like a tube type of structure, na? It is ready to receive that blood, not only blood, and butterflies also same as it is ready to suck, you know, straw, the straw type of arrangement will be there, it is ready to suck whole those things, it is not to eat or it is not to do any other activities. So clear na? These are the different type of feeding habits also there, and I will continue the next topic in our so next class. Okay na? Right? So that's all, children. So remaining topic I will discuss in a next class. Right? Thank you.